because one thing I know about today is that you are all going to be able to help somebody. And I know this because of this slide right here. 1 in every 68 people has an ASD in this country. That's autism spectrum disorder. That's that's 1 in every 42 boys, 1 in every 189 girls. I think the rate of girls is probably underestimated for a couple reasons, but that's a different lecture. I just want you to realize what happened when our son was diagnosed about 18 years ago. We were told that this was 1 out of 1,000, and it was a fluke thing, have another baby, never going to happen again. And because I facilitated a support group in Groton, Connecticut, I knew people with 2 and 3 kids on the spectrum. So my husband's like, let's go for it. And I said, let's not, because if this was a fluke and they told us the rate of having another child with autism was maybe 1 out of 20. I said, well, that seems pretty high to me. So now the rate is, if you have a child with autism, the rate of having a second child, or the chance of having a second child with autism, is 1 in 20. 1 out of 100, 20%. If you have a second child with autism, your chances of having a third child with autism are 33%, 1 in